And this is from the company Careland, and this is the electronic rat killer. It's the powerful electronic rodent killer. And just kind of like looking over the sides here, the product is the MK08. The materials ABS and PC, which I think that means polycarbonate. Battery in this thing is a 1,800 milliamp 3.7 volt battery. Output voltage is 2,200 volts plus or minus 10%. Power consumption 6 watts. Charging current is 5 volt. By the way, this is like a rechargeable mouse trap. How awesome is that? 1 trap, 1 user manual, 1 power cable, and 1 LED cable. You can kind of see right there, once you go in there, the electricity hits them. Maybe not that hard, but it does hit them. And just looking over this, kind of like some precaution on the side. Let me go ahead. It shows you see how to open it here. Let me go ahead and open this thing up and let me show you what you get in the package. So taking it out of the package right here, you get a little LED cable, a charging cable, some padding, and a little instruction manual. I think that's like a little thank you card or whatever. And then you get the little instruction manual, and I went over the instructions manual. I already know how to use these things because I have used a lot of mouse traps back in my day. And just kind of like looking over it, it kind of has some precaution here. You have the on. Did you hear it turn on? On the back, you hear it arm. It is armed right now. The battery goes in here, but they are rechargeable. And then you can run a little LED right here on the side, just like that. And that LED will like stick out and let you know that you got a mouse. And then the charging goes in right there. And then to open this thing up, you're just gonna slide this forward and it pops off. You can see the little doors right there. Okay, everybody, what I did, I put a little bit of peanut butter back here in the bait area, and then I'm just gonna put this back on there, set it up, and then we'll come back in a few days and see how, if we caught anything. Okay, everybody, it's been here. It's been a couple of days. It's been right here in my shed. I've had it turned on. I don't hear it any beeping, but you know what? I looked down in there, and I don't know if you guys can see down in there, there is a mouse in there that looks like he's taking a nap. So the good thing with electric traps like this, it's not like glue traps, it's not like a snap trap. This thing just kind of like puts them to sleep. So this thing works. Check it out. He's just taking a nap. It has got me a mouse. So out here in this shed, I do have some mice here and there. You do have to reset it every time it has a kill. I guess it goes into shutdown mode. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on electric, Careland electric mouse traps. See y'all in the next video.